You may think it's a lot of work to make Sichuan boiled fish at home. Actually, it's quite straightforward. Let me show you how to do it. Firstly, prepare 150 gram bean sprouts and 250 gram of cucumber. Slightly cook them in boiling water for 1 minute. Bean sprouts and cucumber are commonly used in Sichuan boiled fish because they make the dish more refreshing. You may replace them with other vegetables. After that, transfer them into the serving bowl, set aside. Then prepare 70 grams of sweet potato noodles. This one is optional, but I love this. It goes very well with the soup base. Each brand has different cooking time. The brand I'm using takes about 10 minutes in boiling water. Then transfer it to the serving plate and set aside. Good. Then thinly slice the fish. The one I'm using is Barramundi. You may use other kinds of fish like catfish or sea bass. Then we add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of Chinese cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, half teaspoon of white pepper, a pinch of salt. Marinate it for 15 minutes. Then we prepare the soup base. We will need chili bean sauce. This ingredient is very important. It will give very nice aroma to the soup. We also need different kinds of spices. 2 scallions cut into 2-inch lengths. 3 cloves of garlic minced. 2 slices of ginger. 2 black cardamoms. 2 star anises. 1 cinnamon stick. 3 bay leaves. A handful of dried chilli. Cut into half and the seeds. You may adjust the spiciness to your taste. 2 teaspoons of green Sichuan peppercorn. It's the ingredients that gives the signature numbing taste. You may adjust the quantity to your taste. The one I use is green Sichuan peppercorn. Compared with red Sichuan peppercorn, the green one has more numbing taste and it has more flower smell. If you cannot find the green one, you can use red Sichuan peppercorn. Turn the stove to medium to low heat. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1½ tablespoons of chili bean sauce. Saute to release aroma. Then set aside the chili bean sauce. Add the scallion, ginger and garlic. Saute for about 1 minute to release the aroma. Set aside. Then add the rest of the spices. They are all dried ingredients. Saute for 30 seconds. Then mix with the rest of the ingredients and saute for another 1 minute. It smells very nice. Then we can add 2 cups of chicken stalks, 1 cup of water. If you are using whole fish, you may want to add the fish head and tail in this part. Bring to boil. Awesome, then we can add the fish. We cook for about 1 to 2 minutes only, otherwise the fish will melt very easily. Also, add a pinch of salt to bring out all the flavors of the ingredients. When it is done, transfer everything into the serving bowl. Wow, it looks very nice already. We are getting there. Add a handful of dried chili on top. Heat up 2 tablespoons of chili oil. Add a teaspoon of green Sichuan peppercorn. Slightly fry for 30 seconds to release aroma. I have made a video on how to make chili oil. You can find the link in the description box below. Then pour the oil on the dried chili. Fantastic! Garnish with some toasted white sesame seeds and scallion. Great! This is the famous Sichuan boiled fish. You may think it's super spicy. Well, actually, it's not that super spicy. The most important is that it's really delicious. And you can make it at home. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe my channel. I'll see you next time.